installing Visual Studio in an old MacBook. That's why we didn't recommend, because applications normally stop working on old Mac and you need to search for the old service. Apple is lost its mind. It's 102 installation. Officially it's 100. Okay, when you copy this DMG file, you just double click on it and in few minutes it will extract and out. Just wait and then you go. If you didn't auto popped out, you just go to this icon and double click on it. Next step process, you will just copy the DMG here and then you click on the DMG and it will be like this. After that, click on it, this icon, and you will get this, and then you have to click on it and wait a little bit, then you will get this. After you get this, you just need to check whether what things you need to install, and here we go. And then you will click on install. Make sure your internet is connected, so it will install downloading from the internet. Okay, here you can see it's installing. So I have already installed the basic version, and here we go. The accessories like network, etc. is working on it, and macOS Visual Studio 2019 already installed. Just wait a little bit, it's so laggy and heavy. I don't like Apple. This is the reason why. Okay, wait a little bit till it load. I'll show you that it's installed. And go. Here you can create your first app or get your library or cloud or net framework or etc. I don't know how to do this. I have already did that on my college project. Okay, let's type our little name, test it. Here it will create something for sure. And there you go again, lagging and having and a little bit more wait. It will start. It will ask the password. Okay, let's type the password. And there we go. Your VB is ready. Mac 17.9 is now available. We can't use it on this old Mac, so you can close it. And here you got toolkit, project, download offline, and this is my major page, play, and it's asking for a solution. Just wait a little bit more, glitchy and more glitchy. So that's all. You can install it by this way. I'll provide the link in the description, and this video on our YouTube channel. Short will be on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everything. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment.